this test. I really don't want to. A, B, D. This test is easy. Don't know why they make it so easy. I'm nearly done. Done. I'm hungry. Ooh, Doritos. I'm so excited. Oh, they look so good. What flavor is this? The new flavor loaded pepperoni pizza. So good. You know what? I'm at the kitchen, which means you probably need something to eat. Hey, can I have some? Can I have some? Oh, come on. I've only had one. Fine. Give me your paper. But I'm only going to give you 3. Here you go. Share those up with your partner. Yes! Okay, we'll split that in half. But I'm having this one because it's loaded. So good. Okay. Wow. Okay, Maddie, that toddler was exhausting. My job is so easy, but my son. Okay, where am I going next? Let's just say you'll recognize this place. We don't have much time. Did you guys see anything for RT Twin? Any glitches in the program? Yeah. Okay, so good. Wait and see. Okay, here you go. Delicious. Hey, can I have that one? Yes, you can. I got that for all 3 of you. Yes! I get a Dorito. What flavor are these? Loaded pepperoni, why? I've never tasted them. Okay, let me eat. Hey, can I have some? No. I've not even had 2 yet. And I gave 3 to them. Ugh, fine. Give me your paper. Eat that. Fine, but you only get 1. Everybody wants these in. Fine, I'll give you 1 more. Since you got a broken one. So delicious. Yeah. So good. Thank you. Hey, can I have one? No, have that one. But that's broken. That's broken in half. Fine. But don't like the split in half. They taste terrible. But at least I got a Dorito. Okay, nobody else eat them. But mine. No, they're mine. What? Can you have that last quarter?
No! Oh, you want to play that like that? I'm going to tell the teacher. Miss! Yes? Yeah, I'm just eating snacks in class. It doesn't matter, I'm eating some. So now you're allowed. Ha ha! Bye guys, I'm only allowed to make it 5 minutes 48. Bye!